Hi children, welcome to online video class of Standard 3. I am your computer miss. My name is Missy Wilson. Let us start. This is your computer textbook. Our first chapter is Computer Fundamentals. In this chapter, we are going to study about what is a computer in detail, input, output and storage devices, and getting familiar with Central Processing Unit. Yes, it is our CPU. In previous classes, we already learned about what is a computer. Say, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine. It works under the instructions given by us. It makes our work fast, easy and accurate. It can do so many works. It can write, it can read, and even it can also play with it. Normally, the parts of the computer can be classified into three: input unit, central processing unit, output unit. In this session, we are going to study about input devices. What is input device? Input devices are devices that are used to give instructions into computer. What are the input devices? Keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, microphone, etc. Today we are going to learn in detail about each of them. The first one is keyboard. Children, this is the keyboard. Keyboard is the most commonly used input device. You can see so many small buttons here. These buttons are called keys. You can also see some letters, numbers are quoted on these keys. What is the use of this keyboard? The keyboard is used to type letters, numbers, etc. Normally, the keys are classified into four. Number one, alphabetically. The keys with A to Z are called alphabetically. Students, you can see these are the alphabetic keys. The next is numeric keys. The keys from 0 to 9 are called numeric keys. These are the numeric keys. The next is function keys. Keys from F1 to F12 are called function keys. These are the function keys. The other keys are called special keys. Understood? Example, caps lock, tab, shift, backspace, etc. The next is mouse. Children, this is a mouse. It is used to give instructions and it also used to draw beautiful pictures. Mouse has three buttons. This is left button, this is right button and this is scroll button. The basic operations of mouse are single click, double click, right click and click and drag. What is the use of single click? Single click is used to select a file. What is the use of double click? Double click is used to open a file. Then what is right click? Right click is used to display the properties of a file. Using click and drag, you can draw pictures and it can also move files from one place to another place. Okay. The next is scanner. Scanner is used to scan photos, pictures, letters, documents into computer. If you want to store your photo into computer, you can use a scanner. The next is microphone. This is that. This is used to record voice, sound, music into computer. The next is digital camera. It is used to capture photographs and videos into computer. It is a portable device. It can be carried out easily. The next input device is web camera. This is web camera. It is used to capture images and videos into computer. It also helps us to see our friends and relatives in anywhere in the world through video chat. The next device is joystick. It is used to play games and also is help us to control the movements while playing. The next is barcode reader. This you may have seen in different supermarkets like Bismi, Lulu Mart, etc. It is used to read the barcode on a product and it tell the price. The next is biometric or punching machine. It is used to track the attendance of the employees, including the time of arrival and departure. The next device is MICR. It stands for Magnetic Ink Character Reader. It is used to enter data directly into the computer without manually entering it. Example, swiping machine. The next is light pen. It is used to draw pictures directly on the screen. Mainly it is used by designers. The next input device is trackball. Trackball is an input device with a ball on top. You can roll that ball with your thumb to move the mouse pointer through the screen. The next is pen tablet. It has a pad and a pen. It is used to draw pictures into the computer. Children, please note this. Touch screen is a combination of both input and output device. Children, now we have come to the end of this session. I hope you all understood this topic. See you in the next class.